It hit the cosmos. It's ice cold. Blue is absolute zero cold. Yellow is not even close to it. The betting time is over, guys. Everybody's welcome. Let's go. Pachinko 7X. It's last CT. Me, I can tell you. 20, 25, 50. You're lucky today, maybe tomorrow, other day. Nothing is impossible. Of course, lucky gambling. It's gambling. Some days are good, some days are bad. Some days 3 pachinkos, some days 15 coin flips. 7X pachinko, that's hot fire. Let's go. Let's go. Third pachinko of the session. Third time is the charm because Stone Cold said so. Thank you very much. Ooh, all right, let's see the board, then we multiply it 7 times. Come on. 2x, 2x, 7x, 10, 15, 20, 35, 50. 7x top slot. Multiply everything 7 times. 350 is our top multiplier. Ready? 350, 350, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Where are we going? 245 sounds good as well, right? Yes, nice, 245. Let's go.
And 80 for you. Let's spin some more to get some more, okay? Autoplay yours, and newcomers, thank you for being here. How's the week so far, people, by the way? You doing good? Good luck. 10x on a coin flip. Last pachinko was 40x. Play him on high. I'm doing amazing. What about yourself? Better and better and better and better and better. Yes. Woo. All right, that's a coin flip with a 10x. Sheesh. Let's go. Woo. All right, boys and girls, we're here, okay? Coin is here. Be good, okay? Good luck. 15 on a red, on a blue, 10 times more, 100. 50x on a red and 40 on a blue. Please be red, okay? Please. Good luck. Let's push the button. Well, I would like to say this is a pretty cute one, huh? Red side, you just got 150x. Stunning. 3,730 winners. Congratulations. Player and 94,000. Sheesh. Without any questions, make sure the top winner. There we go.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.